students, I'm going to tell you how to give the test, which is going to held on from tomorrow onwards. So let's start. In your mobile, as you can see in the SIPS Nitya app, there is an option which is one open online test. So firstly you have to click on it. So now if something is appear here, so it's if not, so you have to take the another page. So here as we can see that the practice of unit test, and you have to click on respond here. Now here you have to fill your name. So here I am using the ID of Karthik Kaushik. So by default the name is appear here. Then you have to proceed. So the first question is written here, the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and the options are given 5, 15, 14 and 20. Okay, and here time is left is showing 55 minutes and seconds. So you have to choose one of the correct answer. So from here the sum of 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 15. So I am selecting 15. As you have to see, the black dot is there when you selecting some options. Now you have to click on save button firstly, then save. Now here on the orange box it is showing that 4 more to answer. Okay, so the next question is product of 10 and 5 is product of 10 and 5. 4 option is also there, 10, 50, 100 and 0. So the product of 10 and 5, as we know, 50. I am selecting this one. Then we have to save first, and the next question will be appear. Okay, 50 minus 25 is equal to, so it is equal to 25. I am selecting this option and clicking on save button. Now the next option will be in next question will appear, square of 2 is, so here I am selecting any wrong option. Okay, so save. Now explain the term prime number. This is descriptive question. Okay, so here you do not have any option. Here you have only a box where you have to write. When you click on it, your this option will be appear. When you click on it, your keyboard will be open and you have to write here something. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. Okay, I am not writing the answer, I am just tapping the random buttons. Now we are saving it. So click on save button, and then you have to see whatever the options you have selected. So on first answer you have selected this option. Okay, then click on this button. Next, this is the next question and you have selected this option, and now at last you can see now all the question has been covered. We have seen the answers once again. Now we have to submit the answer. Okay, after submitting it will be showing that submitted, and now you can see the answers also. So from here you can see the answer. So student name, then proceed, it is not evaluated yet, that means the teacher has not checked yet. So answer is 15 and your response is 15, so it is correct. Okay, and from here you can click on the next button. Answer is 15.